In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the TikTok internet connectivity issue where there is a network problem. So for example, if you're on your homepage and then you get that pop-up message that says there's a connection issue and you can't load the TikTok videos, there are a couple of things that you can go ahead and do, and I'm going to explain those in this video right now. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you would want to do is go out of TikTok. And then this works on most phones. If you go from the top of your screen with your finger and slide down, what you can try and do is and I'll just expand it even more so I have more options. And the first thing that you can try to do is to switch off your Wi-Fi, because sometimes your Wi-Fi isn't strong enough to be able to actually load all the TikTok videos. Or you might be far away from your router and you can't get a good connection with your Wi-Fi. So switching that off and then using your mobile data can sometimes fix the problem. Now also the reverse can happen where you have no service or something within your mobile data, and then you could switch mobile data off and then just try and use your Wi-Fi. That usually fixes the problem. The next thing you can try and do is, if you're on TikTok once again, and then you can simply just exit out of it and go back into it. So for me, what I do is I tap on that little square icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then you can see here's TikTok. If I just swipe that up, that closed out TikTok. Then I can go back into TikTok, and sometimes there's just like a data glitch within TikTok, and then that can go ahead and reload the videos. The next thing you can try and do is to restart your phone, and to restart your phone is a different process for each device. So for me, all I would need to do is to hold down the power button, and then it will say switch off, and then I can switch it back on to see if that rectified the issue. And then the last thing that you can try and do is you can clear the data of TikTok. So I'll explain how to do it on an iPhone and on an Android. So on an Android device, I go to settings, and then I scroll down to where it says apps. I tap on apps, and then you can see it says apps at the top, and then I tap on apps. Now for an iPhone, what you want to do is tap on settings, then you want to tap on general, and then you'll see an option that says iPhone storage. Then in the iPhone storage, you just want to search for TikTok, and then you want to go ahead and offload the app. So I'm in that stage now where I just need to search for TikTok. There it is. I tap on it, and then from here I tap on storage. Now this is for an Android device, just keep that in mind. Tap on storage, and then you would go ahead and clear the data of TikTok, and on an iPhone it's going to say offload app, and then you can go ahead and try and reload TikTok to see if that fixed the problem. So I hope some of these solutions were able to fix the problem for you. If they did, drop a comment down below which one worked, and if this was helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials.